Are we live?
We're live.
All right. Well, good morning, guys. Welcome back to the garage. We're getting more done. Yes, we are. We're getting a lot done. Well, not a lot done, but anyway. This video will include us getting rid of the old roll bar stubs off the rear floor, getting that all cleaned up. We welded up, actually Michelle welded up the original shock holes. We put plugs in there and welded them up. She's getting to be a good little welder. Probably better than me, but yeah, she is. She just won't admit it. But anyway, we got that done, and then we got the back brace put in for the back seat because I wanted that in before I try to lift the body up. So that's in and welded, and all that stuff we'll see in this video. And everything's primered and it's all ready to go. So if you enjoy watching the never-ending project that never seems to ever get close to being done, you came to the right place. So, hey, enjoy the video.
Yeah, but now there's no stuff dripping out of it.
Well, we're taping it off. They put seam sealer on this edge here, and then right here. We'll just go like right up to where this curve is. So
like here?
Yeah. Yeah, don't mind my welding. It looks like crap, but it holds.
That good?
That's fine. Okay, Michelle did a very, very, very nice job. I don't kneel on here very well. But yeah, that's all seam sealed up. And I'll be able to put that back brace on once that sets up. So how cool was that? That looks nice.
Lights out.
Yeah. Lights out in Georgia.
Yep.
Lights out.
Starting fire.
Oh. Huh?
I said, and we started a fire. A lot of work.
Yeah. You think? Yeah, Michelle's doing a real good job. That's good. Definitely getting rid of it. So we laid some primer on this because once you put the back brace in, you can't get to this. So, but yeah, Michelle welded the shock holes up. Did a darn good job on it. She ground this down this morning so the plates are flat in case we want to. Well, can't really use them because if I come through here, there's no real way to get to it with a roll bar. But I wasn't going to take the plates out. I just wanted to get them smooth. So yeah, it turned out nice. So we got this back piece all done as you've seen in the pictures. So this is all cleaned up and primered, and now we're moving on to this here and trying to prep this and get this ready. As you can see, there's been some butchery happening here, so I'm going to try to get this fixed before I continue on, and then yeah, we'll get some primer on this stuff and then kind of work from there. All right, we'll see you in a bit. Just
Clip you.
I'll clip you.
Naughty. I'm not guilty.
So I was shooting the outro for this video, and I realized that I hadn't finished the rear deck, getting that sanded down and throwing some primer on it. So I decided we'd do that, and then we didn't have that centerpiece welded. So as you've seen, Michelle jumped in there and welded that up. Hey, thanks for watching the video. I know it's been a while since I put anything out, but I really haven't had a lot. It's been a lot of stuff that, you know, we've been doing, but nothing really exciting that you guys want to watch. Anyway, like I said, like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm not gone. Don't forget me. I'll see you guys soon. Peace out.